Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this very easy, simple and quick traditional look. It's very doable for all my makeup beginners out there. It's my very go-to look, and with Teach coming up, I thought why not do a simple Indian look tutorial. At the end of the video, I will show you this very stunning outfit I'm wearing and from where I got it. So let's get started. So guys, first I'm going to go ahead and apply my moisturizer. I'm using the Clinique 72 Hour Surge moisturizer. You know, this is my most favorite one. Since this look is something that we want long lasting, it's very important to moisturize your face well. And essentially, if you're dry skin, then use a moisturizer that's slightly more nourishing and more hydrating for your skin. Now we want a perfect base, and for that I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC Prep and Prime. I really like using this for makeup when I want the makeup to stay for a longer period of time. So just spritzing it all over my face. I'm going to just pat this Prep and Prime on into my skin so that this kind of sets in. I am currently loving the combination of these two. These are my most favorite right now. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and this one right here is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. Now once this is done, we're going to go ahead and use some concealer. I'm using the very full coverage MAC Pro Longwear concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers when it comes to any kind of eye makeup look that I'm doing. Just taking a little on my beauty sponge right here, and I'm just going to put this under my eyes and also on top of my lids and blend it out well. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer. I'm using my most favorite Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm going to contour my face a little. I'm using my most favorite Sleek kit for contouring. Going in with my Real Techniques face brush, and I'm going to contour first, which is the darkest color in the palette, and then bronze with this color. So one tip for contouring, this should be your end line. Don't go beyond this line. Basically, you want to end your contour somewhat here. Like you see, I've ended it right here because that's the center of my eye, literally. And that's where I want to end it. I don't want to bring it all the way next to my mouth. Now going in with the bronzing color here, beautiful bronzer color, just very lightly I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm going to put this bronzer literally on top of the contour powder. Now I'm going to go in and do my brows very quickly. I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Kit, and I'm going to use both these colors, dip my brush in both the colors and fill my brows in. Right, so my brows are in place. I am going to go ahead with my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. And I'm just going to do my eyes very slightly, just using a transition color called Tease right here, and very slightly placing it on my crease here. Picking up from the same palette this color right here called Booty Call, and I'm just going to take this color very slightly and place it on my brow bone. It's a beautiful brow bone color. Now taking my Makeup Revolution palette right here, this is the palette Run Boy Run. Absolutely love this palette with beautiful colors. I'm going to take the same Urban Decay brush and just dip it in this little dark brown color, and I'm going to deepen my crease a little more with this. Going back in the same palette, I'm going to use this beautiful glittery red color right here and put it all over my eyelid, and I'm going to just use my finger and just place this color in on my eyelid. So with a flat brush now, I'm going to pick up this very glittery golden color right here. Unfortunately, this palette did not come with any names of the colors, so I really don't have any names. So I'm just picking this very golden glittery color, and I'm going to apply this in the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to go in and take the same color from the pointy edge of the brush, and I'm just dipping it in very slightly, and I'm going to put it in the lower inner corner of the eye. You see how quickly this opens up the eye when you put a glittery color or a bright champagne kind of a color in the inner corners of your eye. It just opens up your eye extremely, and it just makes your eye look big. I don't have any mascara, any eyeliner, nothing on, but with this little step, it makes your eyes look bigger. Okay, once this is done, I'm going to take my Color Bar Kohl pencil and I'm going to line my lower waterline and also smudge this out a little. And for smudging, I'm using this pointed brush. So this is a brush from H&M. You can use any pointed brush that you have. Now what I've done is I've smudged the kohl a little bit towards the outer corner of the eye. I'm not going to take it any further, but it just makes the eye look so much bigger with that very little swipe. Just once I just sort of, swipe the kohl out right here. Now we're going to go ahead and curl the lashes. I'm using the Vega eyelash curler. I'm going to go ahead and add mascara. Today I'm using the Essence I Need a Miracle mascara. This is Lash Tinting Complex. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my most favorite thing, not the most favorite actually, the second favorite thing, a beautiful blush. This blush right here from Chambord, beautiful peachy pinky kind of a color. It's a very rose, very bright blush. For highlighter today, I'm going to use the 17 highlighter Instant Glow. It's a gold bronze brick. It's a beautiful highlighter brick. This is a kind of a dupe for the Bobbi Brown highlighter brick. It's absolutely same if you see the colors. You don't get this in India, but if you do want a highlighter brick like this, you can go in for the Bobbi Brown one, and a more affordable version of this is there in Miss Claire or in Swiss Beauty. Dipping in the more golden bronzy shades right here and picking up some product, and I'm going to put it on the high points of my face. You see how blinding that highlighter is, and I am big for all sorts of blinding highlighters because I love them so much. I love a wet highlighter kind of a look, and this one right here has been a very loved highlighter. So any of the pans like this, the bricks that you get, are really good highlighters to have because you get 4 different colors. And all the bronzy golden shades like this that you see right here are extremely suitable for olive, Indian, Asian skin because they really come out beautifully well. And this right here, which is more of a light kind of a champagne color, can actually be used for highlighting the brow bone, but since I've already highlighted my brow bone, I'm going to give that a skip. Now going in with lip color, because my outfit is really colorful, it's orange and blue. I'm going to go in with the Sephora lip color. I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's in the number 13, beautiful nude pink color. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the entire base and the entire makeup using my MAC Prep and Prime. This is a beautiful setting spray. Now whenever I'm wearing Indian or any traditional outfit in specific, I like to go in with the Bindi, and I'm using this red Bindi pack here. I'm going to pull out one and place that on my forehead. Absolutely love it. I just love how it brings the whole traditional Indian look together. Absolutely love it. So guys, this is it. I really hope you like this very Indian traditional look. I will link all the products that I used in this video down below in the description box. This very beautiful, stunning garment that I'm wearing is from Paris Street. They are my go-to brand. They are absolutely amazing and stunning when it comes to Indian fusion outfits. If you have a wedding coming up in the house, a baby shower, or any function, just visit them. Their garments are on point. Now don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and the like button. I need lots and lots of love from you guys, so please keep pouring it in. Until I see you next, love you all. Bye bye.